So if you're wondering your Wi-Fi is connected but no internet access on Windows 11, here is the solution for that. So first thing first, you need to go to the search bar and search for view network connections. All right, there you have it. You need to open it up, and then from here you need to select the internet. So for my case, I'm connected with the Ethernet, but you probably connected with the Wi-Fi. It doesn't matter because the process of the both is same. All right, so you need to select that and simply tap on the disable this network device. Then simply right click on your mouse and refresh it. Then again simply select that one and enable this network device, and most probably it will solve the issue. But if not, then you need to close it up and you need to go to the search bar and search for the command prompt. Here you have it, command prompt. Then right click on your mouse and tap on run as administrator. All right, there you have it. Then from here you need to copy my instruction. Just write what I'm writing. So you need to write net sh windshock reset catalog like this, hit enter, and then again you need to write in net sh int ip reset like that. Simply then after that you need to hit enter, and boom, there you have it. Now you can simply restart your PC and enjoy the internet Wi-Fi connected to you. But if you are getting this issue right now after, then you probably don't have the right internet connection. Just contact to your ISP and they will know or get to the issue solved as soon as possible. So go and call your ISP first, then you can fix the issue. All right, so hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.